Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Eric. This week's PPF Pro Tip video, I'm going to go over finger management, how to take care of built up material like this right over here. This is a question I've seen asked in the comment section of previous videos, and I figured I would touch on it as I'm installing our Defense Plus matte paint protection film on this Tesla Model Y. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Okay, so I got my tack solution here. Tack solution, I'm just using hot water, as hot as I can get. So as you can see, we've got a bunch of slip solution over here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm actually just gonna lift the film up a little bit, and I'm just gonna try my best to flush all this slip solution out of here. I got a bunch of tack solution in there. So anytime you have built up fingers like this, it's because you got too much material, and that material needs to be dispersed. So if I were to squeegee these fingers down straight on like that, it would crease the film and there'd be permanent damage under the film. So instead, what I'm gonna do right now is get a little bit more tack solution in there. I'm just gonna hold the film up, and I'm gonna take my squeegee and I'm gonna come at it from the side like this. And all I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna take that material, and I'm gonna take all that excess material and I'm gonna spread it out into much more smaller, manageable fingers, just like that. And there we go. Now all I have to do to wrap it is just flush this out one more time. And the last thing I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna come across and I'm gonna wrap that squeegee, or roll that squeegee around that edge into the front. And that right there is how you deal with built up material, also known as fingers in the wrap world. Hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you did, make sure you leave a like, leave a comment down below with what your thoughts are on the video and whether you have some constructive criticism or any other suggestions what you would like to see in future videos. And make sure you subscribe to the channel and stay tuned for more PPF content. Now before you go, I just want to let you guys know, us at Drive Protected, we just launched our own car care line. So if you head over to driveprotected.shop, I'll have the link in the description of this video. You can check out our new amped all-purpose cleaner, megawatt foam soap, and our recharge ceramic detailing spray. Make sure you use code PROTECTED and you will save 20% on your order. Thanks again.